When things take longer than they should, it takes up time that can be much more enjoyably spent elsewhere. There's no reason for that, when the problem may be that you just don't have the right software. And if that's the case, then all you need in order to boost your productivity is the All-Star Mac bundle featuring Parallels Pro. Fortunately, it's being offered at a 30% discount for a very limited time, when you use the code ALLSTARMAC. For instance, you can streamline your operating system's usage by running macOS and Windows at the same time using the Parallels Pro, 1-year subscription included in this bundle. Buyers really love this service. They gave it a remarkable 4.7 out of 5 stars rating on Trustpilot. Once you've got your operations rolling along, you can really begin to turbocharge your productivity in perpetuity with what is arguably the most powerful contact manager you can use on a Mac, because a perpetual license to Busy Contacts is also part of this bundle. The Smart Filter and Tags features allow you to organize your contacts, plus you can sync with all the common cloud services and even integrate it with your social media accounts. While the activity list keeps track of all your communications and other events with each contact. You will also get a lifetime license for both Macs and Windows to PTCHEV, which lets you do everything you need to with PDF files, as well as a perpetual license for Moho Debut. That's a fun 2D animation program you can use to make cartoons, videos, and more, even if you are a complete novice. Don't miss this chance to get a 30% discount off the All-Star Mac bundle featuring Parallels Pro during the short time it's available. Use the code ALLSTARMAC today and pay only $35.